Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Wrx Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your climate control in your 2018 Subaru Wrx STI. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is go to the center console. And once you get to the center console, of course, you're gonna have three options right here. The main ones is your dial to control on how hot or cold you like it to be. This is your fan speed, and then this is for the passenger side. And then this one right here, this is the dual mode, so you can control individually for both sides, for the driver and passenger side. So you can see right here, it actually displays it also in this mini display right here. You can individually change the temperature on both sides, but if you would like them synchronized, you just have to turn it off, and then you're gonna have the same temperature on both sides. This to change the mode, as you can see, change all the modes right here, all your defroster, stuff like that. And then you have your recirculation or fresh air mode. This is to turn on the auto temperature, turn off the AC, defroster, and all that fun stuff. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Wrx Acura, and thank you guys for watching.